Hello. Yeah. Now observe it here. These are demo classes. Don't write it anything. Just observe it enough. Oracle 19C. What is Oracle under 19C? Oracle 21C, Oracle 23C, Oracle 10G, Oracle 11G. These are versions. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. Same like a Java, same like a .NET. This is a software product. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. 19 is a version number. Actually, Oracle Corporation was released so many versions in this software 1978 onwards. Oracle 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 5.1, 6.0, 6.1, 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1.5, 8.1.6, 8.1.7. These three versions are also called as 8i, next 9i, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 21C, 23C. This is the latest version is 23C, but 19C onwards different. That's why we are starting 19C. 19 is a Oracle version number. C means cloud technology. Okay, na? That's why Oracle is a software product from Oracle Corporation. This is a popular product only. 19 is a version number. C means cloud technology. Okay, na? Everyone knows nowadays all the software supports cloud only. Now slowly observe it here. What is this Oracle? Actually, Oracle is a database product. One of the popular database product. Very, very important. Oracle is one of the popular database product. So many database products are there in a worldwide, I will tell you, but Oracle is one of the popular database product only. Okay. What is the purpose of this database product? Suppose here this Oracle is also called as relational database, but database product, first time newcomer purpose. What is the purpose of this database product? Means store data permanently in secondary storage devices. That is nothing but a what? Hard disk. That is storage management. Store data permanently. For example, store data permanently. Suppose in a computerized system, in a company, data, employees, details, their salaries, their addresses, anything that is stored in a way today in a computerized system, then after 100 years, after 1000 years, we are not available also, the data is available. That is permanent. That's why here Oracle is a database software which is used to store data permanently. Okay, that is everyone knows. Up to this one, that is it, but unfortunately, slowly observe it here. Concentrate here. I'm asking one question. Tell me correctly. Suppose in our class, so many Java, .NET, Python, these programmers are there. They're well-known persons in a basic fundamentals of the database, I think. That's why I'm interested to ask one question. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software, same like you, in my system, for example. Then automatically one place is created. Okay, this is called a database. Okay, for example, okay, Oracle database or database. Okay, yeah. Now in this database, we are storing a what? Any random collection of data possible or not possible? Very good. In this database, we cannot store random collection of data. Any type of data impossible. Only in these databases, we can store structured collection of data. Here, structured. A structured manner only data is stored. Why means I will tell you. A structured collection of data. Random collection of data means those softwares are different. There is MongoDB, those type of software, no SQL database. Here, these database software stores a what? Structured collection of data. Only organized fashion only data is stored. Structured collection of data. Why Oracle database stores a structured collection of data means slowly observe here. Actually, so many database softwares are there in a worldwide. Nowadays, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. SQL Server is a product from Microsoft. MySQL is a product from open source. That is nowadays Oracle purchasing. Teradata is a product from NCR Corporation. Again, SQLite is a product from Oracle Corporation. Again, DB2 is a product from IBM company. Like that, these type of so many database softwares are there. These all softwares are stores a what structured collection of data. Why means these softwares are implemented based on a one concept, that is relational data model is a concept is there. In a future, I will tell you what is relational data model. EF code introduced a what? A relational data model is a concept. In that data model, always data stored in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but rows and columns. Why he is designing a what? Relational data model matrix format means basically he is a mathematician. EF Cod is a father of the relational data model. He is working in a 1970 side IBM company. That's why always he is only designing a what? Relational data model, some concepts only. And in those relational data model, data is represented in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but rows and columns only. Okay. Once observe it here, once we are storing a what data in the format of table structured manner, then only I am also you are also operating a data in these databases by using a one language is there. What is that language? Anybody have an idea? SQL is a language, structured query language. This language also introduced by EF Cardone. He is only introduced. SQL language. Nowadays, you have an idea, C language, Java, .NET, Python, these type of languages, you have an idea. But those are difficult languages because those are procedural languages. Those are conditional statements, loops, so many things are there, variables, data types like that. But this is SQL is a non-procedural language. Same like a English type language, insert, update, delete, select, joins, these concepts are there. Some simple commands, same like English type language only. Now here those commands we are submitting means automatically, okay, so now SQL engines are there internally. Those engines perform the operations in a where? Oracle database, SQL Server database, DB2 database like that. Now here observe here, concentrate here. Suppose this is the Oracle database, no? Suppose easily understandable, everywhere database softwares are there. I am also, you are also daily going to banks, no? Suppose you okay, so now here you have a account is there in a SBI bank, for example. Your account number is something. Suppose I have a account is there, account number is there. For example, I have a account is there in a SBI bank, for example. My account number something. My name is something, morely like that. Again, my balance is something. But those all the things permanently stored where? Within a database. Now check it out, observe it here. Suppose in a table format only data is there. Suppose in a banking system side, one example, for example, and now here, yes, here automatically a structured collection of data is there or not? Yes, observe it here. Suppose bank is a table is there within a database, table format only there, structured format, don't worry. Now here in this bank only account number, name and balance are columns. Again 1001. My account number, for example, roughly, Anna Murali, my name only, my balance is there in a SBI bank, 2000 rupees. Again, 1002, another account holder, ABC, and now here 3000 rupees. Again, 1003, account holder, and his name is XYZ, and his how much balance is there? 1000 rupees. Now, observe it here, this account number column, vertical observe here. This account number column having only numbers. Again, this name column having only strings. This balance column only having a what? Numbers. That is called a structured collection of data. Once a structured collection of data is there, now here actually in a bank managers doesn't know this database and all these things. Just they're typing a what some computer operators, those persons only. Now here just observe it here some account numbers they are entering in a text boxes. Then automatically now here yes here these details are retrieved. Oh, Murali is a account holder name, here balance, these all the data is coming from the where this database. But this database operating and design also some database professionals are required. Otherwise this data is unable to display in a where front end. That's why here this is called a database only here. Now check it out, check it out. For example, you are a software engineer in a future database programmer, for example. In this bank table here, okay, total balance, how much, okay, so you want to find out. For example, you are a database programmer, okay. Now here you want to find out total balance, how much here, total balance, how much here, 3 plus 1, 4,000, 5, 6,000 only. But unfortunately here, okay, 3 rows or 3 account holders are there. That's why this balance means manually also, I am also, you are also calculating possible. But 1 lakh records are there. Suppose SBI bank is there. In that bank only in India, so many account holders are there. Those all the things manually we are calculating a balance means very difficult. Now, in that case, some database programmers are there, Oracle or SQL Server DB2 programmer, just they're writing about some coding only. Here, some is a function is there, same like a printf, scanf functions are there, no C language, no, same like here, some function is there. Here, just they're typing a what within a fraction of second. Yes, here like this, then automatically calculated. Yes, automatically calculated or not, 6,000 like this. Observe here, this is called SQL language. This language is also called as what? SQL is a language. SQL is a language. SQL is a language, means structured query language. Same like a English type commands only. Okay, fine. Suppose, okay, my manager is there. He is waiting only. Murali, okay, so now here somehow, suppose I am a database programmer. I am writing a what? A total balance purpose. This query I am writing. This is called query only. For example, observe here 1 minute only. Okay, total balance I'm displaying only. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, here, observe here. Now again, I'm credit some amount into where this bank only. For example, today maybe some credited, debited amounts are there. No, yeah. Now here 1001. Here Murali. Again, I'm crediting a what? Suppose here 4,000 rupees, for example. Okay, another fellow also 1002, for example, ABC. Rating of what? 2,000 rupees, for example, like that. Now here, check it out here. Now this is a table is there. Okay, yeah, text boxes through they are entering, but internally coding this one. Observe here. This is a table is there, for example. In this table, now here, Murali is there, ABC is there, and XYZ account holders are there. Those all, okay, say account holders, total balance means just they're typing a what here, SQL language, select here sum of balance from, don't write it, from what is the table, bank like this. Then automatically 12,000, okay, just it will be calculated. But each and every occasion of your account holder balance I want. Suppose Murali, how much balance? 2,000 plus 4,000. Today I'm crediting some, depositing some amount, for example 6,000. ABC account holder, how much balance I want? Then you are a SQL programmer, means you are writing a what? Coding. That's why this language you are learning only. Suppose here you are a SQL programmer, means just you are writing a what? Some coding. Yes, with this coding purpose you are learning a classes only. Don't worry. And now here observe here, just and now you are writing a what? Some little bit of coding, 1 or 2 lines of coding, then automatically possible. Observe here, yes, possible or not. Now check it out. Yes, that is the table is there. From the table, Murali 6,000, ABC account holder 5,000, XYZ account holder 1,000. It will be displayed or not? How it is possible? Just they are writing a what? Some SQL language command. Then only that is possible or not? Yes, possible. And now these all the occasion of here, yes, here, okay, total data I want to display means your experienced person means 1 minute, observe here, just observe here, bank dot star, okay, means all columns along with this one means this function we are converting into where window function something is there, total balance I am writing only, okay, you are also writing in a future this coding only, observe here, yes, here it will display or not. 1001 Murali, okay, total balance is 12,000. 1002 ABC, total balance is 12,000. Total balance in a where, in a occasion of here, yes, total table balance, it will be displayed in a report or not, yes. How it is possible? You are writing some coding. That's why professionals are required. Suppose each and every group I want means here, partition by here, name like this. And now here automatically it will display a what here. Suppose here Murali here 6,000, ABC 5,000. Each and every group wise it will be calculated or not? Yes. Suppose in a cricket matches are going on me is a running total I want only. In that case we are using a what order by class. Some classes are there, rows and range classes. In these type of analytical function of our class side, they're writing a coding means then possible. That's why here this is called what? SQL language. That's why what I'm intimating to you means Oracle is a popular database product from Oracle Corporation. What is the purpose of this database product means? To store data, but what type of data it will be storing? Structured collection of data. Here structured collection of data. Once a structured collection of data is there, I am also here also operating this data by using a what? Some languages are there. What are those languages? Anybody tell me? SQL is a language, structured query language. Not only SQL language, another language is there. What is that one? Extension of the SQL language, that is called PL/SQL, procedural language extension for SQL. Another language better to know, that is called dynamic SQL only. Okay, na? Yeah, that's why observe it here. Anybody interested to work in a where Oracle software in a company, software company side, their very good knowledge is required in a where SQL language they have an idea, and PL/SQL knowledge they have an idea. Then only those persons are working in a where this database. Okay, na? Yeah, SQL means structured query language. PL/SQL means a little bit of coding is there, extension of the SQL, that is called procedure language concepts. They are embedded only PL/SQL. Dynamic SQL, you don't have an idea, also not a problem. Yes, you are operating a what? A data in a where Oracle database. Okay, na? Akash, you are telling correct. And now here, check it out. Concentrate. Suppose in anywhere in the worldwide, not only in India, not only in Hyderabad only, anywhere in the worldwide, you are learning a course, either US or UK or Canada, anywhere also, Australia, anywhere also, in Singapore, okay, anywhere you are learning a Oracle course. They are telling a what in a SQL language side, some concepts, and PL/SQL side, some concepts, dynamic SQL side, some concepts. Suppose in SQL side, which concepts are important concepts they are telling me, observe here. Anybody have an idea? Now here, main concepts are the most powerful. So now a SQL is a language is there, in that one compulsory you are learning. Joins is a concept, most powerful. Joins means nothing is there, multiple tables are there. From that multiple tables, how we are fetching a what a data? Okay, inner join, left outer, right outer, full outer, so many joins are there. Those concepts we must familiar, must mandatory. Again, another one is most powerful compared to joins, subqueries. Subqueries are there. That is query within another queries. Suppose you are attending you are a Java programmer, you are attending interview, write a query to display nth highest salary employee, write a query to delete duplicate rows from a table, write a query to display second highest salary. Why they are asking? This knowledge is there or not? What is going on? You have an idea or not? Check it out purpose. This chapter is most powerful. Again, another chapter, okay, so now here we are learning only primary key, foreign key, those are all called constraints. These three are main concepts. How many concepts are there? Just roughly observed here first time. SQL language side, we are learning left outer, right outer, full outer, join, subqueries, constraints, primary key, foreign key, those type of things only. Again, in a PLSQL side, what are the concepts we are learning means, anybody having idea, Java programmers, stored procedures is a concept is there, most powerful. Suppose you are a Java developer, and now here you are interacting with the what, any database, Oracle or SQL or MySQL database means compulsory stored procedure, in parameter, out parameter, in out parameter, something is there. Here stored functions are available. Again, triggers are available. Again, cursors are available. Like this, so much of things only. Okay, na? These type of triggers, packages, these type of concepts we are learning. Stored procedure means mandatory. You are a front-end developers also you are learning. Suppose, for example, in a feature, you are learning a course, no? Yeah, observe here. PLSQL means, suppose you are applying a PLSQL developer in a way, in our class, you are learning a what full depth knowledge means. Yes, you are applying a PLSQL developer also in a way. Okay, so now software company side, observe here. This is syllabus. Cursor is there. Okay, yeah. Exceptions means try catch through. Finally, blocks are there. No, in a Java, same like something is there. Here, stored procedures, stored function. These are all the things we are learning in our class. Don't worry. Okay. First time I'm showing this one means you are upgrading. That's why I'm not showing in a previous place. But some fellows are experienced persons are there. They're observing types are used in packages. Here collections, performance tuning concept, bulk bind, rip cursors, local subprograms, UTL file packages, SQL load. So many things are there. That's why now here, yes, not only Java developers, not only AI developers, not only Python developer purpose, always, I'm telling a what, who are applying a what, PLSQL developer jobs also, is so much of depth syllabus only. That's why what I'm telling up to now, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. What type of product this one? Relational database or database product. What is the purpose of database product? To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. If you want to operate a Oracle, then we are using a which languages? SQL, another one is what? PLSQL, another one is what? Dynamic SQL languages. Okay, don't worry. These are all the things in our class we are learning only in a future. But today, demo class, no, first time, no. 1 minute, wait only. Just I'm asking small concept only. Maybe so many first time newcomers learners having a doubt in this concept. That's why same question I am also asking to you. Maybe anybody having idea means correctly tell me. Suppose 1 minute only. Suppose, for example, I am working in a software company. For example, whenever I am working in a Oracle database product in my company, I am also, my colleagues also operating a what data in this Oracle database. Just we are using a what? One language. What is that language? Means SQL is a language we are using only. Through this language, we are operating a data in a this Oracle database. Don't worry. That's why I'm typing a what some commands in a previous case without any knowledge also. Observe here. My colleagues also, I am also my colleagues also in my company. Okay, working in a Oracle database product. How we are installing those all the things later I will tell you, don't worry. Now here, yes. Then I am also, my colleagues are operating a data in this Oracle database, same like a bank table is then yeah. Then we are using a what? SQL is a language. Suppose in a software company means not only Oracle okay projects, not only Java projects, so many projects are there, no? Yeah. Same like a Oracle, yes, here another product is there in my company. That is the SQL server. That is also relational data model product. That is also popular, same like a what Oracle. This is a Microsoft product. Some fellows are working in aware in this SQL Server database, for example. Here also, those persons also operating a data in aware, yes, SQL Server database by using which language? SQL is a language only. Okay, fine. Through the SQL language, who are working in aware? Yes, here those persons only. SQL Server who are working means those persons only operating a data in this SQL Server database, Microsoft product. Then those persons also using a what? SQL language. Again, some fellows are working in a MySQL database, open source, for example. So now here, whenever PHP, this type of MySQL database, they are working, for example. Those persons also operating a what data in this MySQL database, same like Oracle. No? Yes, here they are using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. But what is my doubt means correctly guess it. These all SQL languages are same or different. Only one answer is correct. These all SQL languages are same or different. Only one answer is correct. Anybody guess it? These all SQL languages are same or different. Very good. So many fellows are telling Murali sir, maybe these all SQL languages are same. They are telling only, but wrong answer. These all SQL languages are not same. Not same. These all SQL languages are yes, not same. How you are understandable this concept means I will tell you simple technique today. Observe here. Why so many fellows are in our class also? Yes, Java developers maybe they are writing, but they are telling a wrong answers. These all SQL languages are same only. They are telling means maybe academic career side. Yes, some DBMS theory paper is there. In that one, practical is there. In a database also. In that one, yes, insert, update, delete, select. In a language side also same syntaxes only. Okay, up to 4 or 5 commands are same syntax. That's why maybe they are telling a wrong answers. Same only. But unfortunately, all SQL languages are not same. Okay, na? Not same only. How we are given the guarantee? Now here not same means Akash, you are telling correct. Not same. How we are given the guarantee means simple technique is there. Maybe so many fellows are in our class also technical persons only. Maybe Java, C, C++, fundamental. You have an idea? Yeah. That concept through I will tell you. Now 1 minute, 2 minutes observe here. Fast I will tell you. Suppose so many object-oriented languages are there in a worldwide. That true we are comparing today databases means easily understandable. These are same or different. Easy. Suppose what are the object-oriented languages are there in a worldwide? C++ in academic career side you are learning maybe in a computer students only. This is object-oriented language, popular object-oriented language. Another object-oriented language is what? Java. Java is another object-oriented language or not? Yes, here. .NET also object-oriented language and also son of Visual C++ is also object-oriented language. So many object-oriented languages are there in a worldwide, different companies. But in object-oriented languages side, some oops features are there, I think. Object-oriented features are there, maybe. So many fellows having idea. And now in that features only, what is object, what is class, what is inheritance, what is polymorphism, some concepts are there or not? Yes, here, okay. And now here again the same concepts are available in a where? In a Java also. Java also supports a what? Object oriented features. In these object oriented features, what is object? Okay na? Here class, again inheritance, again polymorphism is there. Okay, so some concepts are there, don't worry. Conceptually these two are what is object, what is class, what is inheritance, what is polymorphism. Okay, but unfortunately anybody having idea? Any technical programmers, Java programmers, tell me, I want to create an object from the class. What is object, what is class? I am not interested to tell. Just observe it here, some scenarios only. Now here, how can I create an object? Creating an object, objects are creating from the class only, don't worry. Creating an object from the class means what is the syntax? Yes, very good. What is the syntax in a where? In a C++ means class name space object name. Class name space object name only. Simple. Again in a Java, how we are creating a what? Son of here, yes, object from the class means just the same syntax possible? No, different. Different here. Maybe so many fellows having idea. Class name space object name is equal to new class constructor. This is everyone knows. No? Yeah. Now maybe any technical persons are there. That's why syntactically different or same? Different. But conceptually here also what is class? Here also what is class? Same. Conceptually same, but syntactically different. Same okay concepts are there in a where? In a database side also comparing purpose. Observe here. Conceptually same. Here what is class? Same. But here syntactically different. Okay. Na? Not only syntactically different, but also functions also different. Suppose in a C++, if you want to display stream output means cout is a function we are using only. Okay. Na? Yeah. Again, same function I try to use in a way Java said working. How it is working, this is different. That is everyone knows system dot print dot out something is there or not. So now here, yes, here, this is the way functions also different because this is different language, this is a different language only. Same like here also, here SQL is a ANSI standard language. Works in all relational databases. Observe here. SQL is a ANSI standard language. Here only key concept. Observe here. SQL is a ANSI standard language which works in all relational database. I am agree, but unfortunately, slight difference is there. Same like a Java, same like a C++. Now observe here. Now concentrate. Suppose Oracle is there here. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This is a popular relational data model product. Again, SQL Server is a product is there from Microsoft. Again, MySQL is a product is there. This is also relational database from the, okay, so now different companies. Okay, yeah. Now observe here. Yeah, okay, SQL language is a ANSI standard language which works with all relational database. But unfortunately, from this ANSI standard SQL, Oracle Corporation created their own SQL language that is called Oracle SQL. Oracle SQL. Again, yes, SQL Server, Microsoft created their own SQL language from this ANSI standard language that is called, yes, here SQL Server SQL. SQL Server SQL. That's why who are working in a way SQL Server means those persons are learning SQL Server SQL. But in our class, we are learning what? Oracle SQL. Again, from this ANSI standard SQL, MySQL programmers are using creating a what? Their own SQL language that is called MySQL SQL. Now, how you are understandable this one means suppose here conceptually these languages are same. Suppose here tables are there, procedures are there, functions are there, triggers are there, packages are there. Okay, these are what same, conceptually same like a class is a concept I told no. Yes, in a where an object is a concept is there, inheritance is a concept is there in object oriented languages I told no recently. Same like here also conceptually what same, but syntactically different. And also functions also different. Suppose null value is a concept is there. In arithmetic operations performed on null values, again it will become a null in a where Oracle database side. How we are rectifying that problem is NVL is a function is there, through that function possible. Suppose same problem is there in SQL Server database also. In this case, I try to use NVL working. No. Yes, here is null is another function is there. That's why functions different or not. Same like a C++ Java like. Here, MySQL said same function we are using. No, if null is a function is there. That's why here conceptually same, but syntactically different, and functions also different. That's why this is small concept. So many fellows are doesn't know. That's why in our class we are learning about which language? Oracle SQL language. Suppose you are a Power BI programmer. You are learning a which language? Not a Oracle SQL language. SQL Server SQL is a better option. Suppose you are a PHP programmer, better to go for MySQL SQL only. Okay, na? Yeah, that's why. Okay, conceptually you are understandable. Same in every database also, but syntactically different and functions also different. You are an intellectual fellow means maybe one language you are learning through that one, another all the languages through the Google you are learning. Not a problem. Now, but one language is perfectly you are learning means better option. But most of the programmers in a worldwide, yes, here Java, .NET, so Java, Python, these type of programmers are preferring a what? Oracle database. Again, SQL Server who are preferring means always Power BI who are learning, and a .NET who are learning. Those Microsoft products means SQL Server is a better option. Okay, yeah. Again, PHP, these type of languages who are learning means MySQL is a better option. Some Java developers also learning about MySQL database. That's why Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This is a popular relational data model database product. What is the purpose of database product means? To store data permanently. If you want to operate a Oracle, then we are using which languages? SQL, PL SQL, and dynamic SQL. Okay, na? But in our Oracle class, yes, we are creating a what? We are learning a what? Oracle SQL language for operating a what? Data in Oracle database. Okay. Suppose now today date I want to view in this Oracle database means I am typing a what here? Sysdate is a function. Sysdate is a function in a way Oracle side. Same function I try to use in a where in SQL Server working. No, that is different. Suppose yes, add underscore months is a function is there. Day months adding purpose in a Oracle. Same function I'm using in SQL Server working. No, date add some other function is there in a where in SQL Server. That's why different languages, different functions are there or not. Yes, how much easy? Okay, yeah. Very good, Akash. You are telling correct only. And now this is a small demo class. Anybody having any doubts, please ask me. A minute only. Unmute this one. Hello, 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 hello. Anybody having any doubts, please ask me. This is the smallest demo class. Just idea purpose. I'm showing only some commands. Okay, yeah. Okay, na? 2 or 3 days. I will tell you demo classes only. Just what is what something only. Then we are starting a what regular sessions. Nobody asking any questions. Yeah, because first time. Yes, one village asking only we have to learn the Java or Python to implement this Oracle. No, not required. Actually, this is a backend database one. Yeah. From this database, we are using a what some concepts in aware in a Java. Okay, yeah. Here internally C language is there in a Oracle. Okay, later you are understand. Okay, thank you so much for attending this small demo class. Tomorrow I will tell you remind. Okay, tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.